Our teacher asked us if it was safe to send a rocket to space today. It was such a big decision that we felt nervous to make the wrong choice. But just then, something amazing happened.
Come in.
Well, thank you very much.
What?
A real-life astronaut walked in.
What do you think I used to do?
You're an astronaut?
I was an astronaut, yes. I got to be a NASA astronaut for many, many, many years. In life, if you want to accomplish your dreams, you cannot let fear control you. We typically are afraid of something when we don't have enough information. It all starts with the data.
And we realized the clues are all around us, and we use those clues every day to make decisions. We just need to gather the right data and use the right tools to make the right decisions. So we didn't have any fear when we decided to. We can make the impossible possible. The clues are all around us. We just need the right tools to analyze them.